Huh? Yeah, it's like, it's his dance, I don't know. Some weird shit.
Left or right? Oh, we're good.
If you do this, use the best teacher in the world right now.
You the best teacher in the Olympic.
And then 1, 2. No, man. I'm moving. You got right back. Get your guys go like this.
Oh, no, I'll hold on.
So about 1.
Yeah, hold on.
I did 1, 2, 1, 2, 1.
You, she doing that little soldier boy.
No, look, so you got 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2.
See, switching up on me. It says do one thing and then I do another.
Yeah, I know.
Now y'all got to do it together.
1, 2.
From the top now. From the top. Ready? From the top.
The whole thing? Yeah. Cooking?
1, 2, 3.
Where's the pan? Wait. Where's the pan? Left or right? Right, like this?
Yeah, first. Look, first.
I know, but I'm trying to figure out which side the pan's on so I can be prepared.
Where you feel better?
This is pure gold.
Oh, she got this out. Look at her, watch her.
Come on, pan on spatula.
That's the sugar you be on, huh?
Yeah.
That's that shit. Let me get that shit.
The legal white powder.
Yeah,
Okay, so.
How's that with the water?
Cook it first.
Tell him to say swag.
Hey, look, say, whoop, whoop, and swag,
And then do what?
Say, whoop, whoop, and say, swag.
Swag.
Swag. Swag. Like swagger.
Yeah, all right, so say, whoop, whoop, swag.
Okay, so cook it up,
Cook it up, say, cook it up,
cook it up,
whoop,
cook it up, cook it up.
swag.
Whoop, whoop.